Hello, everyone. Warm welcome to Module 1. Global reports tell us that climate change causes health problems, but they often miss the full story of how this happens on the ground. This model reveals those connections, the chain reactions. We will explore how a change in our climate triggers a series of events that ultimately harm health. A health worker in the Democratic Republic of Congo watched rivers dry up, crops fail, and children arrive malnourished. One climate event, multiple health impacts. Your first-hand knowledge is critical here. You have witnessed these chain reactions in your own communities. You know the step-by-step story of how shifting weather leads to specific health challenges. Through stories from over 1,200 colleagues, we will learn to see the full pathway, not just the health problem that walks into your facility, but the entire sequence that led there. As you engage with this model, reflect on the connections you've observed. Your experience helps everyone see this complete picture. You are a trusted messenger, and this model will help you tell that story powerfully. Let's discover these connections together.